Irrigation companies lose a lot of time when scheduling, maintenance tracking, and customer follow-ups are handled through phone calls and scattered notes instead of one system built for recurring service work. By the end of this, you'll know which software actually fits irrigation businesses, what features matter most, and how to choose a system based on how you manage installations, seasonal maintenance, and service calls. Most irrigation companies need 4 core things from software: scheduling, recurring maintenance tracking, customer management, and fast invoicing after each service visit. Field service software is usually the best fit because irrigation work is both installation-based and recurring, which means you need tools that handle one-time jobs and ongoing service plans. Scheduling is one of the most important features. Irrigation systems often need seasonal startup, shutdown, and mid-season checks, so software that can organize repeat visits without manual re-entry saves a lot of time. Recurring job tracking is just as important. Many irrigation customers are on seasonal maintenance plans, so software that automatically keeps those jobs in the system helps prevent missed visits and lost revenue. Customer management matters because irrigation systems are tied to specific properties and zones. Good software stores system history, notes on repairs, and past service records so technicians know exactly what they're working on. Dispatching is another key part of the workflow. When multiple service calls come in during peak season, software that helps assign technicians based on location and availability reduces delays and confusion. Invoicing is also critical. The best systems let technicians complete a job and send an invoice immediately, which helps speed up payment collection and keeps cash flow steady. Mobile access is essential because technicians need to view system details, update job status, and log service notes directly from the field. Some platforms also include photo documentation, which is useful for showing system issues like leaks, broken sprinkler heads, or coverage problems before and after repairs. Customer communication tools help reduce missed appointments by sending reminders for seasonal service and notifying customers when technicians are on the way. When comparing options, the main difference is usually between simple scheduling tools and full field service platforms. Simple tools are easier to set up, while full platforms provide better automation for recurring work and dispatching. The right choice depends on how much of your business is recurring maintenance versus new installations. If most of your revenue comes from seasonal service plans, automation and recurring scheduling become much more important. A practical next step is to look at how you currently handle seasonal startups and shutdowns. If you're manually tracking those jobs, switching to recurring scheduling features should be your top priority. If this helped you narrow things down, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of service business software and tools.